Generally, whenever you receive a new email in your Gmail account, then it should be automatically synced and it should appear in your Gmail application. You will see a notification icon that will let you know that you have received new emails which you have not read. But if it does not happen, and if you have to manually open the Gmail application and then manually refresh in order to receive the new emails, then let us see how to fix the issue. So for that one, we will open Gmail application and then we will tap on this menu option. We will go to settings. Now I have different Gmail addresses here, and suppose if this Gmail address has an issue, I will select it, and if I scroll down, there is an option here, data usage, and there is option sync Gmail, which is right now selected. But suppose if this is not selected, then what happens? Whenever you receive a new email, you need to pull down from the top of your inbox to refresh, and then only you will receive the new email in your Gmail application. So make sure that you always have this sync Gmail under data usage enabled. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.